Okay, so the Bluedio T6 is the latest offering in Bluedio's Turbine line. Really good looking headphones from a brand that I've grown to love and trust, and they caught my attention the moment I saw them on AliExpress. And I suppose I don't have to tell you that Bluedio is a company from
China.
Every human being is here for a reason. God did not create you to be unimportant. Now, you may not have found your purpose yet, but you will eventually. And while you wait to find your way, the worst thing that you can do for yourself is run on somebody else's timetable. God did not create you to be unimportant.
Now, since these headphones were released, the only thing that has fluctuated more than its price is probably Donald Trump's credibility. They were available in only 3 colors, that's black and black, black and red like the one I picked up, and black and yellow. I have to say though, the unboxing experience was terribly disappointing. I mean, the packaging that this came in compared to my other and older Bluedio headphones was just mediocre. And then there's also the fact that they no longer include a cable for the 3.5mm jack inside the box. If you want one, you're going to have to go out of your way to go buy a USB-C to 3.5mm jack cable. And I'm thinking, what?
I paid $80 for this bitch.
Now, at this point, I'm thinking, okay, maybe they're cutting costs so they can improve the quality of the headphones you're actually giving to us, as opposed to just, fancy packaging, which I can actually get behind. So let's talk about the quality of the headphones itself. As far as the sound quality goes, it's pretty excellent. Much better than any other Bluedio headphones I have used in the past, which is pretty cool. I mean, except of course for the active noise cancellation feature, which I naturally do not use, but if it's there, it should work. But it's almost as though the active noise cancellation feature on these headphones are non-existent. It's just a button that's there for decoration and an extra color of LED if you want it. Beyond that, it really doesn't do anything. The Bluedio Turbine line is very popular for its build quality, and I am happy to report the Bluedio T6 are actually pretty well built. I mean, they feel sturdy. When I use them at the gym, it doesn't feel like I'm going to break it, and that is pretty impressive. Now, speaking about comfort, these are actually pretty damn comfortable. I mean, sometimes you have them on and you completely forget you're wearing headphones, which is pretty cool because I had problems with older Turbine series. They were basically just too tight, and I am happy that this has actually been fixed now. Speaking of the design, this looked like they were almost intended to be a fashion accessory. They are beautiful. So imagine my disappointment when one of my Twitter friends reached out to me and told me the design looked like they were just a ripoff of the Beoplay H8. I didn't want to agree with him at first, but as time went on, I started to see it. Ripoffs or not though, they look pretty nice. I mean, you could start a conversation and get a couple of phone numbers because of these headphones. So let's focus on the important things. Design, awesome. Build quality, awesome. Sound quality, awesome. Packaging, terrible. Accessories, terrible. And to be honest, my all-around satisfaction with these headphones is about 85%, maybe closer to 90%, because I really couldn't care less that they didn't put the cable in the box, and I also couldn't care less that their packaging is shit because I'm not going to be carrying the package around with me everywhere. That said though, the company Bluedio needs to know that their loyal fans and the people who discovered Bluedio and stuck with the brand are going to be pretty disappointed, and they probably need to just fix up. Look, the bottom line is, these are pretty amazing headphones for what they're intended to do, and that is listen to all kinds of music and also maybe monitor audio in the studio or whatever. They work. But if you're buying this because of active noise cancellation, I'm sorry, but you played yourself. You should probably go look for something else. The truth is, I really love my headphones and I'm probably going to be using them for a while, but after seeing the cut cost that Bluedio is making and the fact that they are no longer treating their customers the way that they used to, I'm probably going to have to go find another brand to love. I mean, I don't know, maybe go back to Sennheiser for a change or something.
I like China. I sell apartment for I just sold an apartment for $15 million to somebody from China. Am I supposed to dislike them?